Welcome to the NAV People's Knowledge Hub. Dynamics NAV allows you to use serial number tracking on your items within sales and purchase order processes, as well as internal stock movements. Serial number tracking is similar to lot number tracking, but instead serial numbers are applied to individual items, whereas lot tracking numbers are applied to a batch of items. To set up the serial tracking for an item, go to the item card and open the Item Tracking Fast tab. Here you can select your item tracking code. Users can now select where they want the serial number tracking process to take place. The inbound process, the outbound process, or both, as well as what stages within that process they want tracked, just the same as lot number tracking. To show you serial number tracking, I am going to create a purchase order. Enter your vendor number, the item with the serial number tracking set up, and the quantity of that item. Open the line table function and select the item tracking lines. On this page, you can assign serial numbers that you want to use on the selected item. You can enter the serial number manually or use the Assign Serial Number function in the Actions tab on the ribbon. Close this page and post the purchase order. To view the results, go to the item card and go to that item's ledger entries. Each individual item will have its own entry and will have its own lot number assigned. Now, to show you the tracking of this serial number, I am going to create a sales order. Select the customer, item and quantity. Release the sales order and go to the Lines function and select Item Tracking Lines. Once open, click Select Entries on the ribbon and a page will open in which you can select the serial number available for this item. Each item on the order will need a unique serial number. Click OK and post the document. Once posted, go to the item card and the item tracking entries to see the ledger entries for the serial numbers. It will show you the serial number and the vendor or customer number relating to the delivery of the items, allowing you to track your stock. The NAV people offer free training on all aspects of NAV. Please visit our website to find out more, www.thenavpeople.com.